Hello, friends. This is Miss Made again, and I'm gonna be helping you to make door knobs hangers for our neighborhood. It's important that before we start, please remember that if you see your buddy struggling with their design, please give them a hand. On this video, you're gonna see 4 design examples, but Miss May would love to see your own design as well. Our first step is to write a nice note for our neighbor. Feel free to use the same message or create your own. At the bottom of your message, remember to write Stephen Elementary. Do not write your name this time. Once you finish with your writing, please blow, blow, blow your handwriting before to flip your doorknob hanger. Okay, guys, our first design idea is the font faces. You can create faces using different elements and different shapes. You're gonna need different shapes for the eyes, nose, and mouth. It's totally okay if they are not alike. Look, it could be fun. You can also use your markers to add details. Friends, you guys might gonna find some white shape, and let me tell you, this is one of my favorite shapes because you can use markers, any color, to write or color on it. You can make lines, wavy lines, or you can color in. For the second idea, you can also do something abstract. You guys can use random shapes and glue them together. This is a good opportunity to use your skills that you learn in Miss Gallo's class. You guys can use dots, lines, squares, you name it. When you are drawing in those foams shape, you can use the same color of the foam, or you can use a different color as well. If you want, you can add outline around your shape as well. Our next design is about flowers. I found this cool shape, and I realized that if I combine a triangle with this cool shape that I found, I will be able to do a tulip. Now I'm going to show you how to blend the colors around the doorknob hanger. You need a marker. Color little by little. Do not let the marker dry, and blend it with your finger. You can do this technique all around your door hanger. Before we continue with the coloring, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make houses. You can use squares, pointy shapes, round shapes, small objects as well. You can mix them. For this time, I'm going to use 2 medium-sized shapes. Now I'm going to proceed to draw the ground of my house. I'm going to draw the path, and I'm going to keep blending my markers with my fingers. Once you're done with coloring, you can start peeling off the back of your shape and glue those shapes to the door hanger. Cool thing about this material is that you can use marker and add details to your creation. This time I use a shape to represent the sun, but if you don't have a shape that you want, you can use markers to create your own. Remember, for this project, it's important that you are creative and help your classmates.